little artists! Today, we're going to draw some delicious fast food. Are you excited? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a box of yummy French fries. Start with the box. And now let's add some fries sticking out.
Wow!
Next, let's draw a juicy burger. We'll start with the top bun, then add some lettuce, cheese, and the patty. Don't forget the bottom bun.
Cool!
And finally, let's add a sweet ice cream cone. Draw the cone first, then add a big scoop of ice cream on top. Yum!
Awesome!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now comes the fun part. Let's choose some beautiful colors to make our fast food look even tastier. Red color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. Dark brown color. Red color.
Wow!
Brown color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. And there you have it, little artists. A tasty fast food feast, just for you. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.